Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do a quick little Amazon favorite since Prime Day is coming up. So I wanted to show you guys some of my new favorite things. I'm going to try not to mention anything that I mentioned before, but let's get into it. Let's start off with the stuff that I have the least, and that's tech. So this is a SD card reader. I don't know what happened to my computer SD card slot, but it wasn't reading my SD cards anymore. So I got this, and if you have an Android phone, this is going to be perfect for you because you can use it in your computer and you can also use it on your phone. So if you take pictures on your SD card on your camera and you want to upload them on Instagram, stick the SD card in here, stick this in your phone, upload your pictures to Instagram, you get the amazing quality. This has been a game changer, life changer for me, especially if I'm trying to convert like my YouTube videos into short form content for Instagram or TikTok. This amazing. The next thing I got is my new watch. So if you follow my vlogs, you know that I upgraded my old watch and I was having some issues. I tried multiple upgrades and they was not giving. Okay, the battery would die fast. Let me calculate my workouts properly or my steps properly or my calories. But this one is the one that I am keeping, and this is the one that I recommend. I recommended my old one, which is about $20, but this is about $35, and it's worth the upgrade because I can answer my phone on here, I can listen to my music on here. It has a lot more features than the $20 one. I will also link the $20 one for you guys if you guys want options. But yeah, the light is going in and out because I'm using natural light. So first things first, if you follow me on Instagram, I wear these religiously. I have the black and gray ones, I have this ones, I have the pink and purple ones, I have the green and black ones. These have become my new favorite gym shorts. It's from a specific brand on Amazon, and the reason why I love these gym shorts, and I'll put up a close-up, is because the scrunch butt is not attached to the crotch area. So a lot of the times these brands will attach the scrunch butt part to the crotch, and if you pull it up or if you are working out, it will tear. With this brand, they don't attach the scrunch butt part to the like vagina part or the bottom part, so you're not going to be ripping your tights or anything like that. So I love it. I also love the gradient look. It makes your body look amazing. I bought a 3-pack, then I went and got 2 singles. Like, I love these. Next thing I got, I have to mention this again, I bought some new lifting gloves recently, and those are the ones where you have wrist straps and all that, but I've since increased my weights on how much I'm lifting, and I find that anytime I increase my weights, my hand in here starts to get cut, starts to get corns and stuff. So I had to go back to my tried and true oldie but goodie lifting gloves. These have pockets in the hand portion, so it protects the innermost part or the innermost part of your hand so you don't get corns and stuff. So I had to go back to this because new lifting gloves that I got, every time I would wear it and I lift super heavy or do super strenuous exercises, I realized that I would get corns or I would cut my hand or something. So the best ones, and I've had those for over a year. Yeah, over a year and a half now. I also got my belt. This is my gym belt. I think I got this in a large. I could have gotten this in a medium, but I know that no matter what weight I gain, This is going to last me a lifetime, and this also helped me lift super heavy. Okay, and I love this because it helps you strengthen your core when you're lifting, and it gives you extra support. So I would suggest, if you guys are going to the gym on a consistent basis and you want to switch out your waist trainers for a gym belt, I would definitely suggest you get one of these. Especially if you're lifting heavy, definitely get a weightlifting belt. So next thing is this hat. I got this hat from Amazon because I tend to take the kids to the park a lot, and I'm always standing in the sun running around with them, and I needed a sun hat. So I got this. I think this was 10 bucks, and it was worth it. Between taking the kids to the park, going to the beach, going on walks, this have been a lifesaver. Okay, and I love that you can take it off and you can adjust it to how tight you need it or how loose you need it. I like it a lot. And I love the fact that my hair is out, because a lot of times I wear my fro or wear my hair out. I know this won't be messing with my fro or getting tangled in my hair or anything like that. So yeah. Next thing, this corset. I absolutely love this. This was absolutely, I think I paid $15. But one thing I know for sure is that Amazon have amazing corsets. This and another one that I seen go viral recently, amazing. And they also have this in gold. I think I got this for like $13, but I increased the price to about 25 bucks. But I love this stuff. I've worn this already. I'm definitely going to be wearing it again. And then I got this silver purse here, and this is a dupe for the Bottega purse. And I love the fact that this fits my phone, fit my lip gloss, whatever I need in here, ID, wallet, everything. But it's super small and super compact. And I love the fact that it has a crossbody strap, so you can do it for formal events, hide these straps, or you can carry it as a crossbody. Love that. Love the versatility. And I also, if you guys don't know, metallics is in, and I didn't have a nice silver clutch, so I got this. And the next thing I want to talk about is this is a flameless lighter. So I use this to light my candle, and I think it needs to charge. I use this to light my candles and stuff, and because we had a lot of birthdays recently, this came in handy. Okay, I normally use this around the house to light my candles. If you have kids and you don't want to keep a lighter or matches around, this is going to be your best friend. The next thing I want to talk about is this throw blanket. This is actually a real cashmere blanket, and when I say this thing is soft, I mean it's super duper soft. I have to wash this on delicate and let it air dry, but so far so good. I've washed it multiple times and it came back to the same softness, which I can appreciate. And then one other thing I forgot to mention in the clothes category is my Gemini Tongue undies, custom undies that I got from Amazon. So I got those for my birthday pictures, and I'll insert pictures somewhere here or a video, whatever. But I got those undies from Amazon, and you can customize them to say whatever you want them to say. So if you're in the business of getting you some astrology undies, Amazon is the place to go. Let's get into the beauty side of things, and this is where I have the most stuff. So let's start. First thing is first, this is soft. This is a Arabic perfume that for me, everybody's favorite Perfume Auntie on TikTok recommended, and this is amazing. It has 35 mls. I wish they had a bigger bottle, but it's under $10 and I absolutely love this. It's like a nice vanilla floral. That's the best way to describe this. This smells amazing, absolutely amazing. And if you have a daughter or a cousin or a high school child that's a daughter and you want to give them something to wear or to take to school with them, this is going to be perfect. Look at the light. But this smells amazing. A pack of 6 claw clips from Amazon, and they come with different shapes and different size, and these are large claw clips. So if you're looking for claw clips or anything like that on Amazon, these are the way to go. On is these clips right here. So these clips, when you put them in your hair to curl your hair, they're not gonna leave any indentation. I love these, especially if you're gonna curl your hair. Perfect, perfect. Or if you just want to take your hair out your face while you're doing your makeup and you don't want to leave a dent in your hair, get you these. And this is the B&Q lash cluster. As you guys can see, these are well loved. Okay, this is done. Well, almost done. This is almost done. This is halfway done, and I just got this pack right here. These are the best lashes, cluster lashes that I have tried so far. They look amazing and they're light, which is why I have been doing my lashes so often. And I also found a really nice glue on Amazon that made my lashes last 2 weeks. It's the QL glue. It's in the bathroom, but I'm not getting up again. So if you want to try out a new glue, get the QL from Amazon. I normally use the Kiss False Care, but recently I tried the QL from Amazon and it lasts way longer. Love it. So to get rid of my dark marks and stuff, I've been using the Koji Sun soap on Amazon. They say you need to make sure that this soap has a QR code number, a batch number when you're getting it, or else it's not real. I also will say that be careful using this, because when you use this, you need to apply sunscreen for it to actually work, or else your dark marks are going to get darker if you use this and don't use sunscreen with it. And this has been helping my dark marks tremendously. And I also will say be careful, use this. I suggest only using this 1 to 2 a week, because I have heard that it will ruin your skin barrier, your moisture barrier. So when you're using this, make sure you're throwing on the moisturizing products after this. Is my Skin Club. My Skin Club facial towelettes. I took them out the box and I put them in this thing right here. I also, to save money, I cut my towelettes in 2 because I realized I was wasting a lot of my towelettes. So because they were so big, I would only use one part to wipe my face, and then the next part would be completely dry and I would just throw it in the trash. So what I did was cut all my towelettes into half and double what I got for my money. And normally it's 25 that comes in a pack. I cut them in half, so that means I have 50 towelettes. Cha-ching ching, you're saving your coins. So that's what I did. And I also got this holder to hold them in my bathroom so I can just grab it and go. I like the box, just did not love the box that they came in, and this is better for me to like grab and go. Is this nail polish. So this nail polish is like the perfect nude. If you're my skin color or a little bit darker, this color is going to be the perfect nude. And I'll insert clips of when I first got my nails done for my birthday, and I put this on. This looked amazing. And I know the people in the nail salon was talking about me because I told them I couldn't find a gel color that I like, or that I picked, but I didn't give a damn because I've used this before and I know it's the perfect nudie pink color. And get it. If you have any doubt, get it. It's perfect. It's a perfect pink. Now when I go get my nails done, I bring my own gel nail polish. Yeah, then can't talk to me. And then I got the TGIN Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner and Sulfate Free Shampoo. These are what I use in Miss Mom's Milani's hair. I switch all of her Cantu products out to TGIN and also Miley. I don't know about the Miley now that they sold the brand, so we'll use up the products that we have now and then goes to somebody else. I'm looking at a Jamaican owned brand that sells natural hair products in Target, which is what I'll probably replace all my Miley products with. But these are amazing. They have been doing Milani's hair really good. And then for my hair, because I have color treated hair, I got the John Frieda Radiant Red Boosting Shampoo. I got this for my hair. If you have any shade of red in your hair, it tends to go, if you have any shade of red in your hair, it tends to wash out super quickly. So using a red boosting shampoo is really going to help you. Not even just red, they have black boosting shampoo, brown boosting shampoo, but I got the red because my hair is a shade of red. So this has been helping maintaining my color. And then for the rest of my hair, I just use cheapy conditioner. I don't remember, Mane and Tail, the Mane and Tail color treated shampoo thingy that's I got at a beauty supply store. But I will say I love this. I'm planning on getting a conditioner also. This also comes with a conditioner, and this also comes in a pack of 2 depending on what you're looking for. I will suggest both the shampoo and conditioner if you have color treated hair. But yeah, those are all my Amazon favorites. I hope you guys have a wonderful time shopping all the prime deals, and until next time, comment all your favorites and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.